Hey, how's it going? We're at Wood Elementary again, and we're gonna do the tournaments the 5th week. So we have our last day next week, and the kids are doing pretty good in the tournament. We're gonna bring the trophies and prizes and stuff for all the kids, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. And also we have some training going on today with 2 teachers. One is actually a FIDE master that some of you might have seen in the other videos play our other national master. So yeah, it's gonna be great. So stay tuned.
Yes, remember the knight can move 1 square, 2 square, 1 to the side, and it moves in an L shape. Is this a capital L? Yes. Remember, the knight is the only piece that can jump over pieces, so it's going 1, 2, 1 to the side, and boom, problem solved. The king is safe, right? You're left with your backpack, and the ball is still coming towards you. What can you do to save yourself? Back there, yes. What are you gonna use as a shield? Yes. You take out your backpack, you become like Captain America, and you block the attack with your shield. And everybody say, B block.
B block.
A attack.
A attack.
B block.
B block.
C run like a chicken.
C run like a chicken.
All right, very good. Which piece can go ahead and block this attack? You see the attack here? Which piece can we use to go ahead and block? You have to save the king, but we need to move one of chocolate pieces to block that attack. Which one can we use? The knight? But remember, the knight has to move 3 spaces. If I go 1, 2, that's only 2 spaces. Everybody say, good try.
Good try.
Everybody say, way to go.
Way to go.
Everybody say, keep trying.
Keep trying.
Good job. All right, so we can use the knight, but there's another piece that we can use. Back there, yeah. Uh-huh. The pawn, right? There's a couple of pawns. Can we go ahead and move the pawn 2 spaces forwards and attack?
No.
No. We can't. Can pawns attack forwards?
No.
Can pawns attack diagonal?
Yes.
Yes, but we can't use this pawn to save ourselves. We have to use the pawn on G7. Everybody say G7.
G7.
This pawn that's on G7 can go ahead and go right here. And now the queen can no longer attack the king because the pawn is blocking the attack. And if the queen takes, the pawn takes diagonal, right? So this is one way of blocking the attack. But what happens if you cannot block the attack? You cannot attack with the pencil. You cannot block with your backpack. What's left if you're attacking the king and you can't do A or B? What's left? Yes. You can run like a chicken. Very good. Can I run over here? Is it safe for me to run over here?
No.
What about if I run over here? Is it okay?
Yeah.
How many spaces can the king move? Can it go 3 spaces?
No.
2 spaces? 4 spaces?
No.
1 space?
Yes.
The king and the queen have the same ability. The only thing is that the king can only move 1 square, but the queen can go as many squares as she wants. All right, so the king can only go 1 square anywhere. Everybody say 1 square anywhere.
1 square anywhere.
Everybody say 1 square anywhere.
1 square anywhere.
So I can't go here, I'm not safe, so I go here. But sometimes you move the king into danger, and then it's Vanilla's turn. And Vanilla's like, perfect. This is what I wanted from the beginning. You move the queen, you take the king off the board, you're like, hey, Mr. Mango, I got a checkmate, I won. Is that how you win in chess?
No.
You don't. You want to trap the king. You don't want to take the king off the board. Never take the king off the board. You always want to make sure the king is trapped. All right, who's ready to play? Clap your hands 3 times. Clap your hands 2 times. Put your pieces in starting position and then raise your hand once you're ready. Hi, my name is Sebastian. We're here at Wood Elementary, and I'm teaching 1st and 2nd graders how check and checkmate is done in chess. We talked about check, we talked about checkmate, we talked about how to get a checkmate with 2 rooks. The 3 ways of getting out of danger when the king is under attack. We talked a little bit about piece movement, how the queen moves, how the bishop moves, how the rooks, and if they get a checkmate with the knight, they get an extra treat. So far they're doing pretty well, and hopefully they get a checkmate with the knight.
No. Well, yeah, we have a channel, Train Children Chess Academy, if you want to subscribe. So what happened?
I moved here and I didn't realize that there was already a chest.
The king should never be under attack by 2 pieces. Unless it's something like a discover check. So right here.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, that is a discover check. Look, The king is under attack by the bishop. Okay, so you move that knight. You move this knight here. 1 square, 2 square, 1 to the side. The king is under attack by 2 pieces. Wow, what a coincidence. The time where I'm telling him that he can't be in check unless there's discover check. And sure enough, it's a discover check. So you're in check by the king. Let's see if it's checkmate. You're saying it's a checkmate?
Yeah. Can't go here. Can't go here.
Here.
Can't go here. Can't.
Here. Wow. Wow. You can't run anywhere here, 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 here. Wow, that's amazing, dude. Checkmate. Wow. I gotta show the chess master this. Hold on, don't move. Easy, look what he did. He did a discover checkmate. Well, discover, check, watch. Boom. Check, right? And then the bishop can't go here.
Checkmate was good too.
It's amazing, dude. You're a chess shark, aren't you? Put your pieces back in the bags. You guys have 20 seconds. Yeah, so right now, Sebastian Fide is giving a chess lesson to the older kids, and it's his first time teaching actually. So he's getting his experience in right now. He got training from National Master Solomon, and yeah, he's doing pretty good right now. So we'll see how things go. I'm pretty sure he's going to be good. We call him Sebastian Fide because he's a Fide master, and we also have another Sebastian. So that's how we determine which one we call. That's how we tell the difference between both of them.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, so today we're gonna talk about the butterfly checkmate. It's kind of like a cocoon mate. Just kidding, there's no such thing as a butterfly checkmate. We're here at Wood Elementary, and yeah, we had an awesome time teaching the kids. They were a little bit rowdy, but we got them in order, and we had Solomon train and help out with teaching the new teachers coming in, like Sebastian Fide and also Riley. They're coming in and they did a great job teaching the older kids chess. So yeah, that's a wrap. We're gonna see you guys tomorrow at Towers Elementary in Torrance. Double peace.